Hello and welcome to Asif Umer Science channel, where science becomes super fun and learning at the same time.
I am Asif Umar and our today's activity is egg in a bottle and dancing balloons. In this activity, we are going to learn about air pressure. For this activity, required things are conical flask, hard-boiled peeled egg, lighter, a strip of a thick paper, conical flask and balloon filled with a small amount of water. I am going to light the thick piece of paper and dropping it into the conical flask. Then I will quickly place the egg on the mouth of the bottle like this. Egg dropped inside the bottle. Why? Actually, when I started the experiment, the air pressure inside the conical flask and outside the conical flask were same and the egg can't move. The burning of paper inside the flask consuming all of the oxygen. This create a vacuum causing the egg to get sucked into the bottle. Stick the birthday candles in one end of the egg. Light the candles. Put the candles in an upside down bottle. After doing this activity with eggs, now I will do this activity with balloon filled with a small amount of water. Same procedure. After burning the paper, I will drop that burning paper inside the conical flask. Then quickly I will keep that balloon on the mouth of the bottle like this. Are you ready? Burning the paper decreases the air pressure inside the flask. High pressure area outside the flask then forces the balloon into the flask.